Joining me on the flight deck, captain in charge of today's service is Ben Mackman. You're all with us about 10 minutes ago to the scheduled time of departure. Thanks for your help with that. We do have a small air traffic control restriction imposed upon us this morning. See us be airborne in about half an hour's time, so we'll probably be leaving 5 minutes or so after schedule. So imagine 10 minutes on the parking stands before we're underway. We'll make our way over to the southeasterly runway here in Dubrovnik. After departure, turn right, follow the coast northwestbound overhead split, Sadar. From there over towards Italy, overhead Venice, towards the Swiss Alps and Zurich. After that, it's up towards Paris, and finally on towards London Gatwick. We'll be landing on the westerly runway there. Flight time today is in the region of 2 hours and 25 minutes, and we'll cruise at 36,000 feet. In the cabin, you've got a great team of four crew looking after you. Christine at the front is your cabin manager. Her and her team will give you a safety demonstration as we make our way over to the runway. Please do pay full attention to this. Appreciate you might have seen it before. It does change from time to time, and it really is in your own interest of safety. So a few minutes of the iPads, newspapers, etc. put down would be gratefully received. We're expecting smooth flying conditions today. We just flew down ourselves from London. It was largely smooth for most of the way, so we'll turn the seatbelt signs off when we can. You can move around the cabin, use the toilets if you so wish. My advice would be that if you are remaining in your seat, you leave your lap strap at least loosely fastened. That's pretty much it from me. Ben is speaking to air traffic control to see if we can get any improvement on that slot. If not, just to summarise, about 5 to 10 minutes more here before we're underway. Thank you. 2 more minutes and we'll be starting the engines regardless, and to head up towards the runway. Thank you very much for your patience. With the current airborne estimates, around 15 minutes time should still see us landing at 20 past 1 ahead of schedule into London. Thanks again for your patience. I will speak to you later.
Safety features of this aircraft and your attention is essential, as these may differ from any aircraft that you have flown on before. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brake position and location and operation of the doors. In the event of an emergency, low-level gliding will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christian Oliver and I'm your customer service manager on board this flight to London's Gatwick South Terminal. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all and to welcome back our Executive Club members and our One World frequent flyers. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and you must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When it is safe to leave your seat, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. We're about to start on board service, and if you're seated in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary meal and drinks on the bar. In Euro Travel, we have a great selection of foods and drinks available to buy. You can find details of today's M&S on-board menu in your seat pockets. And you can pay by either using a debit or credit card. And for executive club members, we also accept Avios. We'll shortly be coming through the cabin to take your order for the hot food. Later on the flight, we'll be opening the highlight shop, so please take a look at the brochure available. If there is anything to do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know by visiting the galley or using the call button. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoy the flight today.
1. Jet bridge just being positioned on the left-hand side of the aircraft to be able to disembark very shortly. Thanks very much to Team Skybridge Airways today. It's been our pleasure to have you on board. Have a safe and pleasant onward journey. Hope to see you again soon.